Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel training series. Today we will learn the name ranges, a small habit that turns your Excel formulas into readable as well as the scalable model. Imagine you have created a small sales report for your product showing units sold, price per unit, and then the total sales. Now you want to quickly calculate your total units sold and then the total sales. So how you will do it? You'll come here and say is equal to sum bracket open, either select this particular range or maybe select the entire column. Say C colon C is the unit sold range. I'll say bracket close and say enter. We'll do the same thing for the total sales also. Let's say you want to see what's the formula being written here and here. I'll have to click in the formula bar and then I'll get to know the column C is being selected. Okay. Let's say you want to understand your formula in a much better fashion. So you can name your range. Okay. So how we can do this? You can simply select column C here and come here and say type unit underscore sold. So why underscore? Because of name range cannot accept your space there. Yeah. And press enter. I'll do the same thing for total sales. TOTAL underscore sales. Enter. And I'll come here and then write down the formula saying is equal to sum bracket open and say unit sold tab bracket close. I got my answer here the similar way for total sales and then bracket close. I got the similar answer here. Yeah, that's great.